Hello again. I hope you all are ready for another story and I hope you enjoy it. This is Just Me and My Cousin by Gina and Mercer Mayer. We went to visit my cousin, my aunt, and uncle. I brought my bike and some of my favorite toys. I showed my bike to my cousin. He said, "Mine is faster." So we had a race. My cousin won. He showed me his treehouse. He dared me to climb up. So I did. Then my cousin pushed the ladder away. I started to cry. My cousin tried to put the ladder back, but it was too heavy. My uncle had to come and help. I showed my Super Critter doll to my cousin. "Let's see how far Super Critter can fly," he said. He threw my doll out the window. I was so mad, but then he helped me find Super Critter, and he brushed him off. We built a robot with my uncle's tools. Then my uncle came and told us we weren't supposed to use his tools. I didn't know that. My cousin and I had to put everything away. We didn't even get to finish our robot. We played checkers. First, my cousin was winning. Then I was winning. My cousin knocked the checkerboard over. Nobody won. Later, we had a pillow fight. My cousin hit me real hard. I tried to hit him back real hard. I missed and hit the lamp real hard instead. It fell on the floor and broke. We played hide and seek. I hid first. Then my cousin hid. I couldn't find him. Then a monster jumped out from behind the door. It chased me downstairs. My aunt caught the monster. It was just my cousin. "Let's play some more," my cousin said. But I didn't want to play with him. I was too mad. Finally, Mom said, "It's time to go home." I was glad. I got my jacket on. Then my cousin came downstairs and handed me a piece of paper. It said, "I'm sorry." And he looked like he was sorry. Maybe my cousin isn't so bad after all. I hope you boys and girls enjoyed this story, and I hope that you have had a fantastic day, and I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful evening.